In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record transfers between accounts in Xero. This is perfect for moments when you move money between your own bank accounts, like from checking to savings, or when a credit card is paid from a bank account. Recording it correctly keeps your books clean and prevents double counting income or expenses. Start by heading to Xero.com in your browser and sign into your organization. Once you're in, make sure you're on the home dashboard. If you're not, click home at the top to bring up the main overview. Here you'll see your bank accounts summarized. Find the tile for your business bank account. On that tile, look for the prompt to reconcile and click Reconcile Items. This opens the bank reconciliation screen, which lists the statement lines imported from your bank feed for that specific account. On the reconciliation screen, locate the statement line that represents the transfer. This could be money leaving the business bank account to another one of your accounts, or money coming in from one of them. It should match the exact amount that moved between accounts. Select that statement line so its details are visible, then choose Transfer. Using Transfer tells Xero this isn't income or an expense, it's simply moving money within your business. Xero will ask you to select the other bank account involved. Pick the account that received the money if the current line shows a withdrawal, or the account that sent the money if it's a deposit. Take a moment to double check you've chosen the correct counterpart. This step links both sides of the movement, so reconciliation is seamless. Next, enter a clear reference. Think of this as a note to your future self. Include something like the purpose of the transfer, the other account's name, and maybe the date, for example, transfer to savings for payroll buffer. Consistent references make it much easier to trace activity during reviews or audits. When everything looks right, click OK. Xero will create the transfer and reconcile the selected statement line. Behind the scenes, it also creates the matching entry in the other bank account. When you later reconcile that account, you'll see Xero suggest a match automatically, or you can confirm it manually, ensuring both sides align. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Always confirm the amount and date match what your bank shows. If the transfer crosses currencies, verify the rate and final converted amount in each account. And remember, use Transfer for internal moves. Don't code these as spend or receive money. That's it. You've recorded your transfer accurately in Xero.